An attack helicopter is a military aircraft specifically designed and armed to engage targets on the ground, such as enemy infantry, armored vehicles, and fortified structures. Unlike transport helicopters, which are built to carry troops or cargo, the attack helicopter is a flying weapon system optimized for speed, maneuverability, and firepower. MIL-Me-28M Havoc, Russia. The MIL-Me-28M Havoc, nicknamed the King, Super Hunter, is the most advanced version of the Russian Mi-28 attack helicopter family. It is a tandem-seat, all-weather, day and night attack helicopter designed specifically to hunt and destroy tanks, armored vehicles, and low-speed aerial targets. Kamov K-52 Alligator, Russia. The Kamov K-52 Alligator, NATO reporting name Hawkem B, is one of the most distinctive and unorthodox attack helicopters in the world. While the Mi-28N follows a more traditional design, the K-52 is a masterpiece of specialized engineering, known for its incredible agility and unique safety features. A H-64E Apache Guardian, USA. The H-64E Apache Guardian, formerly known as the H-64D Block 3, is the current definitive version of the Apache and is widely considered the most advanced multi-role attack helicopter in the world. The H-64E uses the iconic AN/APG-78 Longbow fire control radar, the dome above the rotors, but the E version is much more capable. Subscribe and grow my channel for more content like this.